Boxes 2015 Super Break Baseball here for Eric. Good luck, man. 2 more spots on the promo grid as well. Already been filled in for you. Alright. Hunter Harvey. It feels like we got multiple cards in this one. I haven't seen this card forever. Clear Path to Greatness, Tim Lincecum. Upper Deck Future Stars autograph. There's the back to that. And 2014 Bowman Chrome Prospects autograph, Maikel Franco. BGS 9 autograph grade is a 10. And box number 2. Nick Gordon. And looks like a one-hitter. Nice looking card right there. 9/5/10, 2007 Bowman Sterling Prospects autograph, David Price. Mr. David Price. All right. Eric, appreciate it, brother. Looks like we're going to be running it back here shortly.